just in, we got our Agri Fab 36-inch roller. It's for the tow behind. I picked this thing up on Amazon Warehouse. I got it in, it's usually $127, and we picked it up for about $85 on a discount. It said that it had some cosmetic damage. Let me see exactly what it said. Basically, it said it had cosmetic damage, possibly to the box. If you guys could, just real quick, drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We create new content every Friday. If you've ever been on that website, it doesn't give you very much of what could be wrong with it, but I read some reviews that shows that the products are pretty much almost brand new, and the box might just be messed up, but we went with it today, and this holds about 375 pounds of water, I think, when it's full. So let's check it out. Right out the box, when I got it off the truck from UPS, I noticed a washer fell out, so hopefully we have all the parts. We'll see here in a minute. And then just quickly looking at the drum, you can see on one part of it, where's it at? Right over there, it's a little bit warped. One spot, I'm not really sure if you can see on this video. Hopefully it doesn't affect it too much, but let's see how easy it is to get this thing together, and we'll test it out, because we're trying to roll this, then we got to put some extra dirt in, and then we'll get seated and we'll roll it again. So after opening this thing up and looking through the parts, I realized I was missing about 3 washers, 3 nuts, and a couple bolts, and then I was missing the main mounting part to hook it to your tractor or your lawnmower. So I improvised with 1 bolt today on this front, and then I'm using some 550 cord to attach this to the tractor or the lawnmower right now. And I did call Agri Fab support, and they were so awesome, and they said to let us know the part numbers. I let them know, and then they said they're going to send it out tomorrow. So that's crazy good customer service. I couldn't ask for any more. So we'll get that in here soon, but I'm really itching to get this thing rolling today, so we'll mess around with it like this a little bit. Other than that, there's only a tiny bit of wear here on the main bar, which is to be expected with the item being like that, and that really doesn't matter. You know, you're gonna get it dirty as soon as you start rolling anyway, so that stuff doesn't really matter to me. It might to you, but this looks pretty good for 40 bucks off, and it should do the job. All right, Sophia's driving. Let's get rolling, right?
Yeah.
Are we rolling?
Yeah.
Say it, let's get rolling.
Let's get rolling.
Overall, guys, I'm super happy with this Agri Fab roller. One nice thing about it is it's just, so technically it's a little bit narrower than our deck. The 42-inch deck, I think it's 36, but it's just about the same. So when you're peeping through little tight spaces there in your yard, you know, you might have rocks or whatever, this is almost identical to the size of that. So it gets you in there nice and easy. Pretty happy with the compaction. We went around beforehand before we laid loam down, and we just kind of rolled over the ledges on where I kind of messed up and made some ruts, so it helped push it down. Then we got the loam on top, and then it compacted it nicely again. We're gonna go ahead here, and we're about to lay seed, and what we're gonna do is after we lay the seed, we're gonna roll over it one more time. If you guys could, just real quick, drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We create new content every Friday.